Illegal. Mario. Okay, guys. Mario, this time do not crash.
Mario won't crash. That's nonsense. I've never done that before.
It's rough.
So fast. I checked this out.
Mario.
Mario, no, don't crash.
We. Excuse me? The car stopped working.
Mario. Did you really forget to put gas in it?
Mario don't remember.
Let me check.
You know what that means? Camping!
We're not camping.
Why not?
Because the last time we camped, you almost destroyed the entire forest.
And how did Mario do?
He thought it was a good idea to bring a flamethrower.
You gotta admit, that was fun. Am I not wrong?
Mario, you're gonna shut up for the rest of the day.
Mario's gonna. What's up? It was his idea, by the way. Whenever I brought the thing.
Oh.
Camping time.
Something wrong there. Let me check the gas. Gas in there. I guess we're just gonna have to camp here for now until we get that fixed. But for now on, you're gonna be looking at
Oh, Mario wants to sleep.
Mario.
Adi.
Ooh. Mario.
Mario's going to sleep. We're not.
Mario, either you scout out.
Sleeping in the car. I'm sleeping in the car.
Fine.
Get out of here. Wait. Where are you going?
I'm finding some supplies.
I'm gonna go with him. No.
Mario can use.
I just realized something. I got such a perfect map for something. When it turns day, we can go to Lake Louis.
Like Louis? Like we were traveling.
Hmm. Why do you have a shotgun to my head, Mario?
I found this last night. I'm like,
Oh, god dang! That was the worst week I ever had. Mario, this is all your fault still.
what did Mario do?
You're the only reason why we're here.
What did Mario do?
Where'd the car go?
Talking about?
The car's not over here.
It's right there. Oh.
Mario, you got 3 seconds to run before I come after you.
Well, don't worry, it probably rolled down the hill. Wait. Don't touch me.
You better find it. If you don't find it, you're grounded.
Mario's given up. Body, okay.
If you find the car, I'll give you spaghetti.
Yeah!
You better find it, Mario, or you don't get the spaghetti.
Body is gonna find the car!
Oh. Yeah.
Well, best try. Here's the spaghetti.
There was fire.
I'll go find the car. Hmm.
Hey,
What?
since when can we fly in this universe?
Alternate universe. Was that kill?
Did you guys not see there was a hope out?